Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade options on Charles Schwab using an easy method. We'll start by navigating the platform and understanding the essential steps. Charles Schwab provides robust tools like Street Smart Edge and Thinkorswim to help you manage your trades effectively. Whether you're new to options or looking for a simpler approach, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you feel confident in placing your first trade. Let's dive in and explore the possibilities together. Before placing any trades, it's vital to ensure your Charles Schwab account is properly set up for options trading. This often involves a quick application process to confirm your eligibility and approval level. Once approved, leverage Schwab's extensive research capabilities. Their platforms offer detailed analytics, including implied volatility and open interest, which are key indicators for options traders. Taking the time to research thoroughly will significantly enhance your trading strategy and help you make more informed choices. Now, let's walk through the process of placing an actual options trade. On the Charles Schwab platform, you'll find the options chain for your selected stock. Here, you can choose your desired strike price and expiration date. Decide whether you want to buy a call or a put, or perhaps sell one. Remember, each contract typically represents 100 shares. Always double-check all the order details, including the premium and quantity, before hitting that Submit button to ensure accuracy. After placing your trade, monitoring and managing your positions is crucial for success. Keep a close eye on market movements and how they impact your options. Consider setting stop-loss orders to protect your capital and limit potential losses. Knowing when to close a position, whether to take profits or cut losses, is a key skill. Charles Schwab provides various tools, including customizable alerts, to help you stay informed and manage your options trades proactively throughout their life cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.